Hey there, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into a common issue that many iPhone users might have experienced before. So picture this. You're trying to search for something important in your messages on your iPhone. Maybe it's a thread with a friend or a crucial piece of information, and all of a sudden, boom, the dreaded no results message pops up. Frustrating, right? Well, fear not, because we're here to tackle this pesky problem head on. Now, let's talk about the solution to this pesky problem. As our tech-savvy iPhone user discovered, the culprit behind the no results message was none other than lockdown mode. Yep, turns out that enabling this feature unintentionally can put a halt to your messages indexing, causing the search function to go haywire. But don't worry, the fix is simple. Just make sure to disable lockdown mode, and voila, your messages will start indexing again, and you'll be back to searching like a pro in no time. In summary, if you ever find yourself in a pickle with your iPhone messages search function displaying no results, remember to check if lockdown mode is the sneaky troublemaker. By simply turning it off, your messages will get back to indexing, and you can search through them hassle-free. Well, that's all for today, folks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give us a like, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay tech-savvy.